Folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park field. Gonna take up Bigfoot, or Mr. Scrappy as I like to call him, and have a little bit of fun. Wind is really too much to be flying today. See that flag? But hey, when does that ever stop me? There we go. Mr. Scrappy. That's what he is. He's Mr. Scrappy. Mr. Scrappy. Scrappy, Scrappy, Scrappy. I'll come in here and do a little bit of wind surfing like his brothers, the Timbers and Draco do. Got no kind of stabilization or anything. I think I've got an AR-620 in there. I think. To be honest, I don't remember. But I don't think she's got anything. I think it's just straight airfoil and my questionable skill. But very fun plane to fly. I recommend this as a beginning plane as long as you've had some sim experience, and definitely if you're going to put a like a reflex system or a stabilization system in her, some sort of gyro stabilization, some sort of auto level would be great for make it a great beginner. She's very forgiving, that's for sure. Very forgiving. Predictable plane, very stable. Hard to turn against the wind when she's on the ground, as you can see. But I really shouldn't be flying today. I'm out here flying Draco, and Draco can fly in 20-mile-an-hour winds. I've been flying her all day, or I've flown her twice all day. I've flown her twice today, Draco, in 15-mile-an-hour winds, and I'm not, and it doesn't even recognize it. So these little planes, are having a harder time with this wind. There, pull off a knife edge with her. There we go.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
But yeah, she'll slow down real nice for you. There you go. All right. All kinds of attitude. I'm running an HRB 3300 3S in her, which is kind of big. Pretty much takes up most of the battery bay. Yeah, that wind's a problem. Yeah, that wind is kicking her around. She's not liking it. Mr. Scrappy is not liking all this wind. But do a little bit of wind surfing now. He's like, stop doing this to me. It's too windy. There's a knife edge up out of that. But yeah, this is a very stable, predictable bird, and would make a great trainer. Like I say, if you've got either someone to teach you simulator time, or if you put a some that's got a stabilization or auto level in it, would be great for beginner. If you're an experienced pilot, just throw a AR-620 in there, something that's got good range, and you can have a blast with this little plane. But it likes the wind to a certain degree. It ain't no Draco when it comes to liking the wind, though. All right, folks, well, there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. That is the well, you know what, well, you know me, I got enough. Let's go around one more time. Still got 1 minute and 45 seconds on a, you know, I didn't know what my timer was set at. I think it was set at 7 minutes, I think, to be honest with you. And that's just a stock system in her. Stock prop, stock everything. I don't have anything special in her. Just a little bit of love and TLC. All right, Smith. Come on, Scrappy. Come on, Scrappy. Come on back here. All right. Motor off. Let's take her back to the bench real quick, and I'll show you where I put that battery and how much we had left. So I'm pretty sure I had the timer set for 7 minutes in her. So let's just take a look real quick, okay? Just bear with me, folks. Just bear with me. All right. Okay. Got my old handy dandy checker. Handy dandy checker. Okay. 68% left. 68% left on that. That's awesome. So real quick, I'm gonna set you down. Well, unplug the battery, and I had it set for 5 minutes, and I had 1 minute left. So 68%, 4-minute flight. Could have got a good 10 minutes out of it. All right, folks, on a 3300, and you can see where I've got basically 1 finger length back from the firewall. All right, folks, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. God bless y'all.